Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative and integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to write about sy equals to number 4, s equals to number 1, y equals to number 1. About this one, we divide both sides by s. So, the graph of this one, that should be like this. S equals to number 1, the graph of this one should be in here. Y equals to number 1, the graph should be like this. The area we need to find that is about this one. So, we need to find the intersection in here and here. So when y equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 in here and we can find about s. That's about s equals to number 4. This one we know that this is about 1. So we have the area. So we have the integration from number 1 to number 4. So we know that should be about the upper minus lower. So the upper function that is about y equal to 4 over s. That's it in here. The lower that's about y equals to number 1. So we have the integration from number 1 to number 4, and we have 4 over s minus 1 ds. Now we need to find the value of this one. The integration of 4 over s, we have 4 ln of the absolute value of s. Number 1, that is about s. So we put the bounds from number 1 to number 4. So we need to simplify this one, and we have 4 ln number 4, negative number 4 minus negative number 1. So you have negative number 3. This one ln number 1 you got about 0, and this is the final answer. This is the end.